Today we're talking about ties. In music, a tie is a way that we can extend a note by using a curved line to connect two of the same pitch together. Here you can see we have a dotted half note connected to a whole note. This means that we would hold this note for 7 beats without stopping and restarting. Usually ties are used to connect notes that are in 2 different measures. Let's look at a couple examples. Here we've got a quarter note tied to a dotted quarter note. So the quarter note gets 1 beat. The dotted quarter gets 1.5 beats. So for this one, we would hold for 2.5 beats. Here we have a half note, which gets 2 beats, tied to a quarter note, which gets 1 beat. And so we would hold this for 3 beats. You count a tied note the way you do any other held note. You write the first beat large and draw a line after it with any subsequent beats. Here's an example in 3/4. We've got our first quarter note, which gets beat 1, our second gets beat 2, and our third gets beat 3. But this one is tied to the first one of the next measure. So we're going to draw a line over the bar line and put 1 on the line. Then we've got a dotted quarter note, so we're going to draw a 2 and put 3 on the line. We've started beat 3, and then an 8th note for an and. Let's try one more example. Here we've got a half note to start a measure of 3/4, so that's 1 with 2 on the line. Beat 3 is connected to the dotted half note, so we're going to draw 3 in a line, and all 3 of these beats are going to go on that line. Let's do a quick review. A tie is a curved line that connects 2 notes, meaning that we don't stop and restart. Let's do an example. In 4/4, we've got a half note. Beat 1 is big, 2 goes on the line. Another half note, beat 3 is big, 4 goes on the line. But we're tying over the bar line, so we keep that going. This 8th note starts on beat 1. This 8th note is the second half of beat 1. This quarter note's all of beat 2. This 8th note starts on beat 3. And this dotted quarter note starts on the second half of beat 3. And the rest of the dotted quarter note takes up beat 4. Thanks for watching.